Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. Inside this particular video, I want to show you an update on our crash 305 minute time frames. So I want to show you guys what the trade has really did since yesterday. So today happens to be the 17th of this month, but we are going to be analyze our trade on starting from on 16th of yesterday. So as we can see, this is the day that the 16th starts, and we are going to be checking on that particular day. We have our uptrend in the market. We go on a massive uptrend. I told you guys that this indicator does not reprint, most especially this arrow indicator, but this particular line indicator adjusts to the price as it's moving the market. So this arrow indicator does not reprint, so it will move on the uptrend massively on this particular area, and will give us a perfect accurate at this particular moment. And we can see that it gives us a uptrend at the late hour of the 15th day, and it happens to be that particular move on 16. So this particular trend move on a massive uptrend on 16, and also it gives us another signal again on that same 16, which happens to be yesterday, and it have another great move from that particular day throughout the throughout the day. And we can see how great the market move on that particular day. And also we have another one here which showed to us at the early late of this 16, and it give us a powerful move on uptrend, and that is what we have currently now. So if you are using this perfect indicator, it is going to make you a best profit in the market, because only you follow the signal at this particular area, show the confirmation trend for you. It showed the confirmation trend for you at the perfect area for you to enter this particular trade. And as you can see, this indicator does not reprint it. Since that 16, it has only give us a 3 signal, which is this one, the first uptrend that you see in the market. Now the second one is the downtrend signal that you are seeing here, which is the red one, and that is this red one started from this particular zone, and we can see what the price did. The price moved on a massive downtrend up to this particular moment. And also we have another one here which showed to us on the I think that is around 12 early this morning. We can see that that is where we have the current uptrend at the move now, and currently the market is still respecting that particular zone. So let's see today if we are going to be having another arrow signal down for trend, or we are going to be having this our uptrend continuation move in the market. So this is how powerful this indicator works. This indicator works on all boom and crash index. All what you need to do is to understand the full knowledge of how to use this perfect indicator, so that you will understand how to make use of it in trading and making daily profits. And also this indicator work on step index, it also works on gold, but you have to understand the knowledge behind the pair, so that you can get the full understanding of it. So to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So reach out to me, you are going to get access to this indicator. This indicator is not for free. You can never see something that is working for free. It's charge you little things, so it is very avoidable, guys. It is very avoidable. So reach me on my Telegram, and also I drop it on the description of the video. You can easily reach me there, and I'm going to respond to you guys. Thanks guys, see you guys in our next video.